guys, this is our feast for the Chinese New Year. We will have a Chowking style or the Filipino pares braised meat magic with mushroom and rice. So this will be our feast for the Chinese New Year this 2021. Kung hei wat chai. We have here our a box with a cash inside. So this amount is about 1,000, then 2,000 pesos, then 3,000. So that's about 3,000 pesos, 2 bills and 2,000, 1,000 bill and 2,000 pesos. So this is about 4,000 pesos in cash. So I'm talking about this because we will be talking about cash reserve. So cash reserve, because there is no insurance when investing in the stock market, on the cash reserve will serve as your insurance. How? Because on how you manage your cash reserve will ensure the safety of your investment in the stock market, because that will be the only insurance you have. That means how well you manage your cash reserve will ensure the growth of your investment in the stock market. This amount, we are still on quarantine because we just bought our groceries, so we quarantine our money because it might be contaminated by COVID-19. So today, it's a sunny day, Chinese New Year day. So we talk about our cash in the bank. So we don't maintain large amount cash in the bank because interest rate there cannot even give you 1% or 2%. So mostly our cash were invested in stocks, and I think in our portfolio we have total amount of 58,000 pesos buying power. Our cash in the bank amounts to 5,800 pesos. That's the only amount we maintain cash in the bank, just to maintain the bank. So we just use the bank to transfer cash from our Call Financial account to our bank. So you add that from the 3,000 pesos I showed you a while ago in the box, plus the 300 that we are present quarantine, the total cash that is available for us, plus that 58,507.80 buying power at call, we have a total amount of 64,000 pesos available for us for disposition. That means we can use that anytime. So the reason why we put this amount here, so if there was an opportunity to grow, we invest this. But we use this amount wisely. So we just don't haphazardly because something is seemingly will move up or move down or like that. We don't do that. We utilize this buying power to add to our cash position. At the same time, we are months away from the first cash dividends from first on. We're waiting for the cash dividends this coming March from Metropolitan Bank and Trust Company. And this coming April, the Meralco Manila Electric Company will give dividends based on schedule. And on May, the Philinvest Land Inc. and GMA 7 or GMA Network Incorporated will give dividends. And the one that is largely will provide us the biggest dividend will be on June. So that means we have still 4 months to go to replenish the buying power that we have. This is the cash dividend coming from SPC Power Corporation. So with this, we have a cash flow, expected cash flow coming this March, April, May, and June. So while waiting for those cash flow, and if there's an opportunity that these 58,000 pesos will still earn more, so we invest it. And then within that prime time period, we add to 58,000 pesos. However, this buying power means it's a power we can do our emergency fund, our daily needs like that for this next March, April, May, and June. So 4 months. So we don't deposit this on the bank in the bank because it will not give you enough uh, return that beyond 1% or perhaps below. And if you can notice, instead of putting this money in the bank, we bought a bank. We bought Metropolitan Bank and Trust Company. So the money we put in there, 38,000 pesos, as you will notice, earned us from January up to this day for 1 month 1.62%. So we already earned 614.51 pesos. On top of that, there will be a coming dividend this coming March, and the dividend yield for Metropolitan Bank and Trust Company is 2%. So we earn at least 2 plus 1.62%, we earn 3.62%. So that's why we don't deposit on the bank, because you cannot get this kind of appreciation from the value of your money when it is deposited on the bank. Of course, we need the bank to facilitate our transaction. So we need the bank so we can withdraw cash. So at the same time, it make us easy to do such to transfer money. See, what I mean is from call you need a bank so that from the bank you have an ATM card. So from this, wherever you are, you can transfer the money. So whether you're on vacation, whether you're overseas, whether you're anywhere and you need cash, you just transfer this cash buying power to your ATM bank. That's why we maintain that bank. We don't maintain that bank because it has a high interest, but we maintain our bank account so that we can use as a tool to transfer or use as a tool to manage our cash. So that's how we manage, because cash reserve is very important in investing, because since when you invest in the stock market, there is no insurance. It is this cash reserve that will make you manage well your investment portfolio. We don't diversify. See. In fact, we invest on a company that we know that we will give the best yield for our money, the best value for our money. So that's why you can notice 78% of our investment portfolio is invested in SPC Power Corporation. So we weight them, we give them percentage. So how much percentage of portfolio we allocate them. So the best yield, we put all our money there. We put all our eggs in one basket and put the rest or the gains and reinvest it in smaller amount on other company so that those that we earn from SPC will now earn from Meralco. Now we will earn 5% more interest. So it grows and grows. So we do not just plant a tree so we have a shade in the future. We also plant a tree so that we can eat the fruit of the tree at the same time. So that's how we invest and manage our cash reserve. Because always remember, your cash reserve will be your insurance. Because this is that's why we are investor. We have the capital. So if there is an opportunity to invest, we have the capital to grab that opportunity. Okay, guys, see you next time again on our next video.